Hello friends, welcome to BNXpert. Today we are going to learn 3D Material Eyedropper Tool and 3D Material Drop Tool. We have an image open here. Select 3D Material Eyedropper Tool. You can see a cross sign here, means it is not active now. It will not work on this image. It needs 3D workspace. Let's go to 3D menu, New Mesh from Layer, Mesh Preset. Here you can see some presets like cone, cube, cylinder, sphere, etc. Let's pick the cube. Click on Yes to switch to 3D workspace. Now we are in 3D workspace. Pick the Move tool. In Options bar, we have some options for the Move tool. Let's select Orbit the 3D camera. It is used to apply some 3D movements. When I click and drag, you can see this from any angle. Now we have three sides. Select the 3D Material Eyedropper tool. This time there is no cross sign, means it is active now. The eyedropper tool was used to pick the color. But the 3D Material Eyedropper tool is a surprise because it picks the material, not the color. Let's click here. Now select 3D Material Drop tool. Click on the top. You can see the material from the front side comes to the top. Now I click on the side base and the material is imported on the side base. You can save it in JPG or PNG format. Go to File, Export, Export As. Select a format, Export All, enter a file name, select a folder you want to save in, click on Save. Let's open the file. Now you can see the output in JPG format. Similarly, you can apply this on the other elements like cylinder, sphere, pyramid, etc. Let's have a new file. Create a new layer. Fill the layer with a color. I fill it with yellow. Now click on 3D. New Mesh from Layer, Mesh Preset, Sphere. Click on Yes to switch to 3D workspace. You can see a yellow sphere in 3D look. Let's apply some shades and colors to it. Select 3D Material Eyedropper tool. In Options bar, click to open Material Picker. Select one of them. Now select 3D Material Drop tool. Click on the sphere. See, the selected material is filled over the sphere. Let's try another material. Also, you can get the materials from the Properties bar at right. 3D, Sphere Material. In Properties bar, select Materials. Here we can directly fill the material as we click to select it. We don't need to click on the canvas again. You can change settings from here. You can change the bump value, reflection value, etc. Now I am going to show you creating a new element. Create a new layer. Let's create an element using pen tool. You don't need to worry about this tool. Later we shall discuss this tool in detail. You can do any shape. Go to 3D. New 3D extrusion from selected path. You can see a new 3D object. Its thickness is more. Let's set it to 0. In Properties panel, set the extrusion depth to 0. Click on the second option, Deform. The deformation axis is set to center. Set it to right by clicking here. Now increase the horizontal axis to 360 degree and a glass shape is created. You can change the extrusion depth. Taper. Vertical angle, etc. Now, suppose you want to make changes to the shape you created in Pen tool. For that, click on Mesh, Edit Source. Before clicking Edit Source, notice you have only one file is open here. Now click Edit Source. You can see a new file layer1.psb. You can edit the shape with Direct Selection tool. Save. Switch to the original file. You can see the changes. Let's fill it with color. For that, go to 3D panel at the right. background or layer, whatever your layer name is. There are many layers of different angles. Let's select Layer 1 Extrusion Material. In Properties bar, click to open Material Picker. Select one and the color comes.